Alright, so this is an update. I had, let me just open. I had a trade somewhere around here, or maybe here. I was stopped out. This was where my stop loss was, and I saw us moving up. I counted this as a 1-2, but then I was stopped out by a much larger correction. So my working theory back then was 1-2, 1-2, and then 1-2, and then we'd shoot up. But then we had 1-2, and then 1-2, and then it came down here. So I began to look at this as more of a diagonal, expanding diagonal. Uh, so I currently have, okay, so let me, alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a flat here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it works good as a flat. Uh, yeah. I'm also still counting maybe this just in case it's corrective, just me being honest. I want to have a bearish and a bullish scenario at hand. So I have a 1, 2, 3. Maybe there's a B, and then we'll now have another 1, 2, 3 as a 5-wave move. But then we've already had a 5-wave move here, so maybe it could be that, oh, the flat is done and we are shooting back down, which I do not like, because I said that this wave 4, if we count it as a 1, if we count this as, sorry, 1 2 1 2, I would say 3 4 3 4. This 4 is very big compared to this 2 here. So I'm still going with my bullish scenario, with my stop loss being here for my major trade from August 27th, I believe. Yeah, from August 27th. So if we break below that level, I will concede. I will accept defeat that this is in fact not a wave 4. This is in fact not this was not a wave 4, and then this is not going to be a wave 5 of my wave 5 extension. Let me zoom out so it's more visible. So yeah, so currently I have a limit order. In my opinion, this is a perfect 5-way move. 1 2 3 4, and then an entry diagonal in 5. So I put a limit order at the 61.8, which coincides with the 161. It may not get there, to be honest. So I'm just waiting. Let me see. If I lose this trade, I'll lose how much? There's 38, so 21. Let's just say almost $20. Almost $20. I'm okay with that. If I lose this trade, then I probably will just wait for my stop loss to be hit on my major trade, and then I'll start thinking of how to re-enter the markets at a better time. But I have high hopes, mainly because in my previous video I believe I called out that we could be having a diagonal, and then we had a very good 3-wave move down, and then we had a splendid 5-wave move up here. So in as much as this is me jumping the gun, because normally if I take this as a diagonal, then this is just the first, and then this would be the second, and I'm trying to enter on the third, which to be honest is me jumping the gun, and it's against my rules, to be honest. I don't believe I'm revenge trading. Maybe I am, but I don't really feel any strong emotions or anything towards this. I'm just seeing a good setup, clear 5-wave move and everything. So yeah, it's just me looking, I believe this is me looking objectively at everything. And maybe, I'm not really sure, maybe I'll move it up here. So let's just see what happens. Let's just see what happens. Let's see what happens.